Right, so Mark Gurman has revealed a new tidbit regarding the iPhone SE 3 that could suggest this is going to be a much bigger upgrade than we initially expected. And so let's delve into it, guys, but first make sure to like and subscribe for the latest Apple news and rumours. And with that being said, let's just tuck in. So Gurman, in a new report, delved into Apple's spring event, and in that report, he gave us a key new tidbit regarding the iPhone SE 3. And that's the fact we could see a new camera on the back. Now, every rumour for the past few weeks has been suggesting the only upgrades coming to the SE3 are going to be 5G support and the A15 chip. And so Gurman now mentioning that we could see a camera upgrade does get me somewhat excited. Now yes, I know some of you guys might be thinking the improvements to the camera might be due to the A15 chip, since the image signal processor within the A15 can bring some major improvements, such as next-gen Smart HDR to the sensor we have right now, and that could be the upgrades Gurman's referring to in this report. However, I do think there is a good chance we could see actual hardware improvements to the camera on the back. Since do remember with the OG iPhone SE, this had the same sensor as the flagship back then, which was the iPhone 6s. And so it was a little disappointing the iPhone SE2 did not get the same treatment. I believe it has the iPhone XR's camera, so yeah, this is a pretty old sensor now. And honestly, I do think there's a good chance we could see the main sensor from the iPhone 13. So this is going to be a 12 megapixel sensor, but with a wider f1.6 aperture on the back, and more importantly, sensor shift stabilization. Now, what is sensor shift stabilization? Well, this is where the actual sensor is stabilized instead of the lens, and this allows for up to 5,000 adjustments per second. And so yeah, this would massively improve the photos and the videos the iPhone SE3 takes. And honestly, for the lack of a design upgrades we're getting with the SE3, I do hope Apple makes it up with the camera on the back. And I'm assuming the phone is going to be slightly thicker because of MagSafe, and so yeah, that should allow for more space to give us that much larger main sensor from the iPhone 13. So yes, I'm praying that Apple does have a few surprises up their sleeves with the SE3, because simply adding 5G and the A15 chip to the SE2s are pretty boring upgrades, and so I do pray we do see some pretty major camera improvements. But guys, tell me your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think we're going to see a new sensor on the back with the iPhone SE3? Anyways, thank you for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe for the latest Apple news and rumours. Check out the video in the corner above on details regarding the iPad Pro with the M2 chip. And on that note, I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya, peeps.